Good morning everyone. I am Rehana Anjum. Currently I am pursuing my first BTech in Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology. Now I am going to talk about importance of structures and structure definition. So let us know importance of structure. Structure in C are user defined data types that allows the grouping of different data types. They are essential for creating complex data models that represent real-world entities. Understanding structures is crucial for effective memory management and data organizing in C programs. Basically, these structures are very useful in organizing our data, and it also represents our real-world entities. In C, structures are useful tools for storing related data elements under one variable name. Organizing data. Structures can help organize data in an effective way. For example, you can use a structure to store employee details like name, designation, and employee number. Binding data types. Structures can bind different or the same data type together, making work more organized and accessible. Building presentation. Structures can help build presentations of stored data more quickly. Here, uh, storing related data elements under one variable means, uh, here we had given one example. Example is we can store employee details like name, designation, and employee number. Here we can use character, int, and float related for these related data types. Basically, these related data types have different storage, memory storage bytes. Like car has 1 byte, and int takes 2 bytes, and float takes 4 bytes to store some memory. But when we use these structures, uh, the highest data type capacity is float, so all the data is going to be stored in these 4 bytes. That is the useful of and that is the importance of structure. Now, structure is a derived data type to organize a group or a related data items to different data types, referring to a single entity. A single variable capacity of holding data items of different data types. As we discussed, a single data item, that is float, can hold different data types like char, int, and some other data types. Not only float, the maximum capacity which data type has, then it will store the different data types in that one variable. A structure is a collection of variables of different data types that are locally grouped together and reference under same. So it is a collection of variables, and it reference to the same one. And let us see the definition of a structure. A structure in C is defined using the struct keyword followed by a name and a block of member definitions. Each member can be of different types, allowing for complex data representations. Structures enable the creation of complex data types that can be easily managed and manipulated. Here we can see here we can see one example. Struct my struct. Here struct is the keyword which we use in structures, and my word is the uh, tag name. That it means it is the name of the structure. And here we use different types of uh, data types like int, char, float, and variables. These variable 1, 2, and 3, these are known as structure members. And it starts with the flower bracket and ends with the closing flower bracket, and structure variable followed by semicolon. Here int takes a one int has a 2 bytes and char takes a 1 byte. One as char takes 1 byte, but these variable capacity is 8, so this is too long, and float take some storage area. Let us see the syntax of the definition, syntax of the structure, and one example. Syntax is a struct tag name, struct tag here followed by tag name, the name for the structure which we kept, and it starts with the opening flower bracket, data type member1 and followed by semicolon, data type member2 semicolon, and so on, data type member n semicolon, and ends with a closing flower bracket, structure variable and semicolon. Here let us see the example. Struct book. Here book is the tag name, and it starts with the flower bracket, char title, char author, int pages, float price. Here these structure holds three types of data types, that is char, int and float. uh, Title, author, pages and price are the members of these structure, and here if we need we can uh, represent our variable name. If it is not necessary, then we just end with the semicolon. Now structure definition. Each data item in structure is called a member. Sometimes these members are also called fields. The declaration begins with the keyword struct, as we see in the earlier example. The list of declaration of its members must be enclosed in brackets. It must be enclosed in brackets. The tag name is an identifier which specifies the new structure name, and declaration of structure does not